In this skincare quiz, there are 4 blocks of text. Each describes in more detail what a skin type needs in terms of skincare. With the product recommendation quiz, you can show customers with dry skin certain questions specifically targeted for them, while customers with oily skin would skip these questions. This can be done in many ways within the app. Logic can also be applied to the contents of your results page. With block logic, you can show or hide elements of your results page based on the customer answers. Let's add 4 content blocks with the skin type advice. You can edit the block text with markdown language, like this. Now, how can we make only one block appear instead of all of them? We can add block logic. To do that, activate it in the lower right corner. Let's add the first logic condition. If the answer to "How does your skin feel on an average day?" is dry and tight all over, then this block, dry skin block, will be visible. In all other cases, it will be hidden. Now, let's add similar rules to other content blocks. Let's publish the changes and test the quiz again. You've now successfully used block logic to show and hide content on the results page. Block logic is a powerful tool that can also be used to show different image results depending on customer answers, or show product blocks with different numbers of recommendations.